Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's weather update. So it's been a while since I've done a weather video, and apologies for that. Anyway, looking at next Tuesday, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a 30% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a location across northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, far western Mississippi, and far northeastern Texas in the orange, and a 15% chance surrounding that in the yellow. And this looks like it has the likelihood of becoming a significant severe weather and even a tornado outbreak. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to really monitor this severe weather situation for you guys as the days progress. Looking at next Wednesday, we have a 15% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a location across southeast Louisiana, far southern Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, and the western Florida Panhandle. Looking at the wintry side of the system, beginning overnight tonight, the Pacific Northwest is going to get inundated with heavy snow from this winter storm. And as we go through the overnight into the day on Saturday, the snow is going to push across areas of Washington State, Oregon, Idaho, Nevada, and California. And as we go into Monday, the storm is going to push into areas of the Great Basin. And then as we go into Tuesday, next Tuesday, the storm will eject across the plains. And then this is going to set up our likely blizzard across the Dakotas, Nebraska, and possibly even Minnesota Tuesday and even into Wednesday morning. We could be looking at several inches, even a foot plus of snow in some of these regions. So looking at the snowfall accumulation map, anywhere in the blues you can expect 2 to 6 inches. In the purples you can expect anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. In the pink areas you can expect anywhere from 12 to 18 inches. And then areas across western South Dakota and northwestern Nebraska are going to be seeing anywhere from 18 to 30 inches of snow from this system. So we're going to be dealing with very hefty snowfall totals from this. So make sure you are ready for that. And then looking across the Sierra Nevada mountains of California, we're going to be seeing copious amounts of snow there as well, with anywhere between 35 and 100 inches of snow, which is really going to help with the drought for areas in California, my friends in California, and then areas of Northwest California, far southwestern Oregon, you can expect 2 to 4 feet. And finally, looking at the National Weather Service watches and warnings, we have a winter storm warning in effect for the Cascades across California, as well as areas of Northern California, across the Sierra Nevada in California, and the Cascades across Oregon and Washington, and the winter storm warnings extending into northern Washington and Idaho. We have some winter storm warnings across central Idaho, central Nevada as well. Winter weather advisories across northwestern Nevada, central Oregon and southeast Washington state, southeast Idaho and northern Utah. And then we have winter storm watches across western North Dakota, western South Dakota, far northern Nebraska, far northeastern Wyoming, and far eastern Montana, as well as the Mogollon Rim of Arizona, southwestern mountainous areas of Utah, far southeastern Nevada, as well as the mountainous areas of southwest California. So make sure you prepare for big snowstorm if you live across the Pacific Northwest, as well as the northern and possibly central plains from this storm. And then, like I mentioned, we could be dealing with a tornado outbreak across the southeast next Tuesday. So I'm really going to keep an eye on that for my friends in the southeast. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening, my friends.